Pet lovers rejoice. Pet Palooza is coming up fast, and Corey Price joins me with the details. Corey, thanks so much for being here today.
No problem. It was my pleasure to be here.
So for the folks in the community who have not already experienced the fun that is Pet Palooza, can you tell us what that is?
Sure. It's an event out at the Animal Care campus where we bring out pet-friendly vendors. We have live bands and entertainment. So it should be a fun day for families and their pets.
That is wonderful. So if you've got a pet that you want to bring out just to enjoy the day, that's one thing to do, but you've also got some services there for pets that people will really be interested in.
We do. This year we will be giving away free pet microchips while supplies last. We only have so many. We also have some low-cost vaccinations happening the same day.
And that's really valuable and important for your pet if you want to keep them healthy. And if they get away from you, that's the great purpose of microchipping. And there may be folks that don't know that process. So can you talk about that as well?
The microchip itself is about the size of a grain of rice, so it's fairly small. It's a one-time injection, and it stays in under the skin of the dog or the cat. And we have scanners at the animal shelter and at local veterinary hospitals so that we can scan that animal if they're lost, and we'll be able to contact those people and reunite them with their lost pet. It sure makes a difference.
That's peace of mind right there in a little microchip, so that's a wonderful thing. But wait, folks, there's more. You've got bands, you've got pet-friendly vendors. Talk a little bit about who we can expect to see.
We do. We have a visit from the Blackland Prairie Raptor Center. We also have a gentleman coming out with all kinds of snakes for a little bit of show and tell. And we have live bands throughout the day, so it's definitely worth coming out. Should be a great time.
One of our favorite bands around here, Thursday After 5, they'll be there as well. And one of the neat things about them, as you've said to me before, is kind of the music that they play. Do you want to talk a little bit about that?
Thursday After 5 is a few of the guys from Building Services here in the city, and the songs that they write are original, and they're all about the city of Irving. So there's a song about the Las Colinas Mustangs, there's a song about working for the city, there's a song about a few folks that have retired. So it's really fun, and they're kind of a bluesy rock kind of band.
Well, and it's great community focus and get people out there to, say hello to folks that they already know and meet some new friends. So how can you miss with Pet Palooza? I mean, really.
Exactly. And we only do an event like this once a year, so it's definitely worth coming out to the campus and having lots of fun with your family and your pets.
That's great. So give us the details.
The event is actually March 28th, which is a Saturday. The event starts at 10 a.m. and it will finish up around 2 o'clock. And all throughout the day, we'll have all those entertainment bits that we talked about, the bands, the Blackland Prairie Raptor Center, the microchips, the vaccines, all that stuff will be going on all day long. And the pet-friendly vendors. You never know what you can find for your dog or cat when you visit all the vendors out there.
That is great. Well, thank you so much for being here. And folks, remember that is March 28th. And if you want to have a good time, Pet Palooza is the place to be.
Definitely.
Bring out your dog. Thank you so much, Corey.
Thank you.